Hey guys, it's Riley and welcome back to my channel. So for the start of the decade, the first thing I really wanted to do was have a total room clean out. So the first thing I did was pull all of my clothes out of these drawers and put them into one big pile, which then I sorted into two different piles. The first pile being things I'm going to try on, and the other that are things that I know for sure I'm keeping. And then I'm just trying on all these clothes, and anything I'm not keeping, I'm donating to Goodwill. And then after that, I'm just going to clean out the drawers and vacuum and dust them so that they're back to being really clean. And then I'm using the Kondo Marie method to fold all of my clothes and put them back in these drawers.
Where we sang songs with all our childhood friends, and it went like this: say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing out the top.
The next thing that I did was organize my shoes. So I don't think I ended up actually getting rid of any of my shoes because they all fit and they're all, I guess, fit into my life still. So then I just cleaned out this organizer and put them all back in there because this organizer is somewhat new and they were not organized in there. And then after that, I cleaned some of my favorite pairs of shoes because they looked horrible. And then I put them all back in and that's how it looked. And now I'm starting to work on my closet, and I just kind of had no system to this. I just started pulling stuff out and then sorting it into either I wanted to add it into my drawers, or I wanted to get rid of it, or it was going to be hung back up. And it took me a little while. I was definitely watching Gilmore Girls while doing this, but that's okay. I would also just like to point out, yes, my outfit in this video has changed about 16 times, but I did this throughout my winter break, so that's why. But anyways, I cleaned out my closet, so I have these two parts, so it was all cleaned out, but I still need to go through the stuff on the bottom. But that's how it looked with all of my clothes gone. And then I just wanted to vacuum the bottom because it was really dusty and there were some spider webs. So once I was done with that, I put everything back into my closet. So it's t-shirts and sweaters on top, and then sweatshirts, jackets, uniforms on the bottom. But yeah, that's what I did for this. And then after this, I started taking down all of my Christmas decorations because I just wanted my room back to the way it was and way more minimalist than it is now. So here's me admiring how big my room is without my Christmas tree in it. I kind of forgot it was that big, and I was just collecting them in this big pile, so I don't know what else to say. And then after that, I wanted to organize my makeup because I got some new makeup for Christmas, and I felt like I had a lot of makeup I don't use, and there's no point of just having it around if it's gonna sit out. So the makeup that I'm getting rid of, I'm just throwing away because it's all opened already. And then any makeup I cannot speak. Some of this I did give to one of my best friends because I knew she'd want to use it because it fits her better than it fits me. So I did get rid of some makeup, but I just wanted to organize this so I could use it because I use my makeup every day, and I just figured it would make my life feel a lot more simple if it was organized. So enjoy these clips.
This just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile.
And now that everything is actually cleaned out and organized, I just need to clean my room because I had so much random stuff everywhere. I had some clean laundry, I had some dirty clothes, and you may notice that my mattress was not in here, but this was filmed again over winter break, so I was kind of having a fun sleep out, so that's why my mattress is not in here. But I just picked up all of the random garbage around my room, and I wanted to organize my vanity too, but I didn't really go into depth. I just cleaned it up and went through my drawers as I went along. I got some new hair ties, so I put those in there, and then I just really cleaned. I cleaned all my mirrors and all the surfaces, and then I went around and vacuumed, moved furniture to vacuum, and then I mopped my hardwood floors. And I really hope that you guys are all having an amazing 2020. Yeah, I'm really so happy. I have 163 subscribers. I have no idea how I got here. Thank you guys so much if you're subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to click the red subscribe button on the screen or down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to comment down below any video requests you guys have, because I'm always looking for more ideas. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
So I'll go, I will go. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier, I want you to be happier.